Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the G935 Logitech microphone not working and what you can do. So the first thing that you can try to do is like really simple. Go to control panel. When you're going to be in control panel, you're going to have hardware and sound. Then you're going to have under autoplay, you're going to have sound, so click there. And then when you're going to have sound, there you can have your headset. So first on the playback, where you're going to have that you have connected for the Logitech G935, you want to set it as a default. Then on the recording, when you're going to be here, you want to again set it as a default if you don't have it. Double click on the microphone for your Logitech G935. Then levels, have a microphone to 100. This is like another thing, like really important one. And then what you can also do, go to recording again and go to listen and have continue running when on battery power. So this is something that you want to have. The next thing that you can try is go to settings. Here you're going to have privacy under accounts. Then under camera, you're going to have a microphone. And then allow apps to access your microphone, and you want to have yes, allow them. So this is another thing that you can try. The next thing that I want to share with you is that you want to go to device manager. And then when you're going to be here and you can have sound, video and game controllers, you're going to have your own Logitech G935 here. You want to right click on it and you want to disable device. Maybe it's going to help you. Then also you can enable device. And then what you can do, if you want, you can just click here and click update the driver. This is another thing that you can do. So I hope it helped you in a way on what you can do. So thank you very much for watching, and also have a great day and goodbye.